Hey guys, welcome. I'm just gonna pop on here and do a little something. I have a little freebie for you guys, and I just want to share it with you. There's no strings. It deals with buttons, so you can use your paper buttons. You can use your regular vintage buttons. Any buttons that you have, you can just make them yourself. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna use some of my buttons. I'm gonna put that aside so you can see it. And what I have created is this free printable. Um, and there's three of them. So I mean, you can print it anytime you want. Like I said, there's no catch. You just go to my website. The link is up above. You just go to my website and download. Hit the download button, and you will get this freebie. So what I'm going to do is I decided I have these vintage buttons, and they already have the strings on them. Saves me some time. So I'm just going to pick. I just picked those out. Just picked some that I thought matched. Colored buttons would also work. And I'm going to use up my glue dots, I think. I think that's what I'm going to try to do is apply these buttons with my glue dots. Fast, easy, simple, hopefully, right? So let's see how this works. I mean, you can use your glue. You can use sticky tape, whatever you got on hand. I just happen to already have my glue dots from Sunday, so yeah, that'll hold nicely. Nice job. Okay, good job me. I'm just going to quickly put these on then. And you can't see them. I like that. You can't see them behind the actual button itself. So that's kind of cool. These ones I should have put thread in. These are the only ones I don't have thread in. I should have done that before I started the video, but you guys will forgive me, right? The rest of them all had thread in them. So, except for these. Oops, got it off-centered. These small ones are kind of hard to do. I'm trying to do that. Most of the time I'm really good at this. I promise. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to put that down. Okay, they're a little crooked on my sheet, but I think that'll be okay. I'm just going to quickly go through these. See, this already has the thread in there. I'm just going to put it on the back right over top of that thread. That'll hold the thread too, so to keep it from further unraveling. Doesn't want to stick to the thread. I really enjoyed making these because I thought they were so cute. Each one's a little bit different, and you can kind of use them from different time periods. That was my thought, because I know you guys all do different kinds of themes, but they're all still got the brown theme in the back. Okay, this doesn't take very long at all. I can't wait to share this with you guys. I'm hopefully in every month I'll be able to have something to share with you guys. That's hopefully what I'm planning on, but next month may be tricky. I do have a lot going on next month, so we may have to skip May and go on to June. Skip May. Okay, and put that one down. Home stretch here. 3 more to go. that was the last of those. Now we just cut them out. So I'm just going to use my cutter because it's a lot faster. So this shouldn't be a problem at all to cut these. Just gonna, well, my buttons are kind of getting in the way of cutting them. So go figure. Okay, there we go. Okay. Just lining my up on the edge. I did it with the buttons first so that I'm not sure why. I just thought it would be faster. But you can definitely cut these out first before you add your buttons. And any white edge you can just ink up if you want to. Kind of got a little bit of white edge on that one. Okay, almost done. Okay, that was fast, and they are done. And I already printed a piece of another paper on the back so that the backs were already done as well. But they are ready to go. They're ready to pop into your journal. They make excellent tags. You can round the corners. You can use these as pockets. You can just use them as ephemera pieces. They are ready to go. And I love how you can see the strings just hanging out there. Yeah, right here, I need to ink that edge, or I need to just go ahead and cut off a little piece here and here. It's got a little off center, but otherwise, I think these are stunning. What do you guys think? Hopefully you like them. So just go and download them. They're free for you. Okay, it's my treat to you. All right. I hope you guys have a blessed day.